If you can still see your color corrector through your makeup, you don't put too much color corrector on. I am a dark skin girly with hyperpigmentation. Orange is going to be my color of choice because I'm trying to cover up my dark circles. Hey y'all, I'm gonna do a simple face today. And when I say simple, I truly mean simple. I color correct. Remember, your color corrector should fade into your makeup. Next is gonna be my Yummy Skin Concealer. While we let that sit, go ahead and put on my skin tint. I am loving skin tint lately, especially for the summer months. If you choose to wear full coverage foundation in summer months, it's perfectly fine. Make sure that you prep your skin, apply the right foundation for the summer. Not all of them are the same. Now, skin tint, very light, very simple, very easy. It's just gonna show your beautiful skin. We're gonna get our brows done. Light stroke, start at the back, like we always do. They're sisters and not twins, okay? And then brush up into them. We're going to Costco. That is it. So you do not have to have somewhere special to go in order to throw on your simple natural glam makeup look. I need my close girl mirror because this one is for the ones who wear glasses right here. I need to see things. Look how that blends so beautifully. Natural glam, I have to worry less about how my products blend because the tones are so near in color. That's Leandra's opinion, okay? And I try not to go fully up under my eye because I crease. That's just the way my eyes are. They don't like product there, and that's fine. So we do our best to keep the product light. We are going to let this sit because I do my makeup in steps. This is that summertime fine makeup right here. Blush it up, blush it up. 10 minute natural glam, my girl. Put that on and move around. Let's go back in with your foundation brush. Now, we can go in with our bronzer. And this one, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm just warming up my skin. I see you. I see you. Yo, she a little more chocolate now. Chocolate girl, something. These are two powders mixed together, honey, because the shade that I need are these two. This is Huda Beauty's Cinnamon Bun along with the Pink Pumpkin. The mix that has the orange and the pink with it. Make sure the under eye is under eyeing. And then we're going to look up and then we're going to set just up under the under eye. Because whatever is wet, must be set, baby. I like to do this looking up because I don't want to set my eyes or with creases. If you buy multiple powders, mix them up and see what color you get because sometimes you can make a mishmash that will actually work for you. And then everywhere we put concealer, we are going to set. And I do like to go into my brows just a little bit because I don't want it to be so shiny from the brow gel. And just a tad bit of powder here because this is where I get oily the most. So I am going to powder that part. Tap that off because I like for my blush CBC. And sometimes when you put powder on, the blush goes away. This is the Infallible bronzer. And I'm going to tight line my waterline down here. Make my eyes just look a little wider. Also don't want to use black because as we get older, it just looks so harsh. When we're young, baby, that black was popping. But now that we older, we got to do things a little bit different. Here I'm just blending it back in because I feel like it just needs a little more blending. Next, we are going to do what? Add a primer to our eyelashes. We want to increase the impact of them. So you prep it, okay? Give that mascara something to hold on to. Just like the primer that's on our face. Give that foundation something to hold on to. My actual mascara. And y'all know I like to use the telescopic from L'Oreal. That's what it is. This blue primer is from Morphe. But this is me going straight in without the primer. Can you see the difference? It's subtle, but there's a difference. So primer, no primer. Can you see the difference? Y'all let me know, okay? There, that's enough playing with your eyes for today. Remember, this is your finishing spray. Why? Because it's going to take away the powdery look. That smells good. Kind of tastes good. Shouldn't have my mouth open. This is a setting spray because this is going to do what? I want to hear y'all say it. This is my L'Oreal Infallible. It allows your makeup not to go anywhere. Let me tell you something. You got anything up here, any type of makeup up here, or you hold your eyes up like this, hands down, it's going to make it sticky. So be careful. All right, ladies, this is my Sunday makeup look. Getting ready to go out to Costco with my mans. Put your makeup on, girl.